How does the insulating glass machine line work? The original glass sheet is transferred to the washing machine through manual or automatic loading. The dust and impurities are washed away by the brushes and rubber rollers of the cleaning machine. Then it enters the dryer and it will be dried by the wind blown by the air knife. The glass will arrive at the aluminum frame positioning section, which all adopts our hollow transmission structure, which can clearly detect tiny and imperceptible traces on the glass. The entire section is made of matte material density board and warm light tube, which will not hurt the eyes when standing in this position for a long time while working. The segmented light tube distribution design allows the lighting to be controlled separately for both large and small glass, saving energy. The suspended positioning device is soft and precise, making it easy to place the aluminum frame quickly and accurately. Then, there is the closing section, where the glass is automatically closed before entering automatic plate press. The plate press can set parameters to automatically inflate. The last is the sealing section. Our sealing machine is very smooth. It will not cause the sealing to be interrupted due to colloid solidification. Once the sealing is completed, a piece of insulating glass is completed. If you have any interest, welcome to connect us.